The potential for data-driven digital services to bring us a smarter, more inclusive, and ultimately sustainable society is huge, but only if we have trust in how that data is managed. Organizations providing these solutions need to be able to demonstrate that they can manage security effectively. I'm here today with Darren Spence, CRO from Smartbox.ai, to discuss this further. Darren, hi. Tell us a bit about yourself and Smartbox.ai.
Hi David, at Smartbox.ai. Well, we are a governance, risk and compliance technology business, and our technology has been specifically designed to help organisations respond to their regulated responsibilities and disclosures, particularly around data subject access requests. A data subject access request is a right that we all have as citizens to request the information that organisations hold on us. So whether that be as an employee, or it could be as a patient of an NHS trust, a customer of a bank, the list goes on. It can be a very time-consuming and costly business to actually provide that information. So our technology has been specifically designed to speed up the process that organisations have to go through and ensure that any disclosure that they provide meets the very strict regulations governed by the ICO in the UK.
By processing a DSAR, data subject access request, I presume your organisation then accesses some sensitive information of organisations' employees or their customers. How do you then build trust with your customers so that you can manage that data securely?
We operate the layered onion approach, where we have technologies to protect our data, but we also have a very strict approach to governance.
Could you tell us a little bit more about some of the specific applications so we can understand a little bit more about specifically what types of information you do actually deal with?
People will use that DSAR vehicle to request their medical information. So typically what would happen is they'd contact their GP or the NHS trust. That information is collated together by the trust and put into our system. We look through that data set very quickly, and we're looking for information that might need to be redacted before it's shared with the patient. So one of the key areas is around mental health and psychiatric trusts. The default position within the NHS at the moment is that if a patient has got a history of something traumatic, is for that information to be redacted before it is shared with the patient. Navigating to that sensitive data can take a long time, and sometimes it's missed. By using our technology, you're speeding up the process, you're de-risking the medical record, and most importantly, we are helping to reduce patient waiting times, because the practitioner can spend less time on paperwork and more time with patients.
Wow, I think that really brings to life the sensitivity of the data, the information and data you're having to deal with, and the criticality then for keeping that secure. How does BSI actually support you in this area of building that trust around the security?
Our technology runs in the cloud, it runs on Amazon Web Services, but rather than just relying on the security provided by those particular platforms, we have our own layered security around that. So with the strictest of policies and governance to really protect that data before it's shared with the patient or the subject. The ISO 27001 for us is a critical standard that controls how security runs throughout the entire business. ISO 27001 certification through BSI has helped us embed a culture of security and can demonstrate compliance to those standards back to our customers.
The need for a layered approach, the need for governance. This isn't just around some technical controls, this is around a whole approach throughout the organisation. And I can see that it is that holistic approach to security as an organisation that then displays and manifests itself to your clients in order for them to have trust in you and your solutions.
So some of the biggest and most trusted IT companies in the world take our technology out to their customers. So the partner goes through the same process. They will test our controls, test our technology to demonstrate that we are a trusted vendor that enables us to build long-lasting relationships with our customers and our partners in all the territories in which we operate.
From a BSI perspective, it's great to be working and supporting you and seeing your solutions become part of that trusted, smart and inclusive future. So Darren, how does partnering with BSI help you at Smartbox.ai?
BSI have been able to help us be the best in class in the way that we secure data, the way that we develop our technology, and a number of different standards that are relevant to us now and will be more so in the future. We are in the business of providing services that use AI. These future standards are really going to help us show to customers that we take not just the data and the sensitivity of the data seriously, but how we build our technology to be future-proof.
Thanks, Darren. It's great to see how BSI's partnership with you is helping you achieve your organisational aims. BSI is delighted to partner with Smartbox.ai to help build digital trust. This means that their solution can help organisations adhere to the strictest requirements around integrity and help individuals build trust that their privacy rights are met. And we look forward to continuing our partnership.